Ladies and gentlemen, it is time to start laying your eggs in the US markets, because in the next couple of months, years, those eggs will start to hatch and prove to be very fruitful. And I'm here to tell you guys that I'm a believer in the US market one more time. And I believe the markets will experience huge growth in the next couple of months, years. And I'm here to tell you that I put that belief and backed it up with a lot of money. So I'm here to share that with you. In this video, I'm gonna share with you my portfolio that is sitting at just shy of 100,000. And also, we're gonna double that figure in the next couple of weeks, months, and we're looking at a return of $1 million to 1.5 million, if not more, depending how well I play my cards, because I will start to take out some positions and add new money into different positions or different stocks, but these stocks will probably be in the same industries I'm gonna share with you here. With that being said, guys, let's jump right into the computer, but I do wanna share with you a lot of updates in regards to this portfolio and what positions I have in the next couple of months here on YouTube. But if you want that, you have to smash that like button and also subscribe to this channel here by pressing that subscribe button. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the chat room. But first, let us begin here and let me share with you my positions and the reason why I'm in these industries. Let's go.
Okay guys, so here's the portfolio. You can see I have $105,000 in account value, but the cash is sitting at $13,500. So I want to see if there's other opportunities. So here is the stocks that I'm holding, about 17 to 16. And some of these names you guys have never heard of, but we're gonna go into deep details why I'm holding such stocks. And I do have two dividend stocks here, which are also growth stocks, and that's very difficult to find, guys, is to find a growth stock that pays dividends. So I'm gonna explain to you why these stocks are very important to have in your portfolio. So essentially, guys, what I did was actually divide my holdings into different industries. So these two stocks here, they actually pay out dividends, about 7% each, and they're both growth stocks as well, because they are in the clean energy and climate change sector. Stellantis is actually the manufacturer of Jeep and Dodge, the car Dodge, and other cars as well, but they also invested 100 million in their own lithium manufacturing project. And lithium batteries is what powers electric vehicles. So this is very important to have, guys. If they don't actually succeed at lithium, then they still have cars to sell, which are all going to be electric vehicles in the future. Now, electric vehicle sales are going to increase rapidly in the coming years, because 2030 it's a clean, I guess, energy year. So most cars will have to be electric by 2030, and that's the direction we're heading in. So this company will experience a lot of sales, so will a lot of car companies as well. So this clean energy and climate change is very important to have in your portfolio. This first stock here, HASI, they actually invest in clean energy projects. So they have a diversified portfolio and they're constantly growing. I'm not going to go into deep details with the stocks, because I do want to just keep this video under a few minutes, and we will go over these stocks individually in different videos. That's of course if you want. So QuantumScape is another, Charge and Blink. These are both charging companies. I don't really have a lot of shares with these two stocks, but this I'm holding a lot, and this I'm holding a lot. Not just because they're growth stocks, but they pay dividends. So it will pay me to wait, and I'm okay with getting paid to wait, especially when the direction is going into the clean energy favor. So I also split it into retail, and retail I have The RealReal and Farfetch. They're both similar. These are websites that actually sell luxury brands like Gucci, Prada. These websites, I'm sure a lot of you have heard of Farfetch and The RealReal. They will benefit when the economy returns, because people start to have money and their revenue will increase. So that's my thinking here when it comes to retail. Okay, so another one is Bitcoin and fintech. And of course, you know me, guys, I've started to believe in Bitcoin even further. Bitcoin and fintech, I wanted to make sure that I don't just have fintech, but I also have a fintech company that has exposure to Bitcoin. Now, this company, Square or Block Inc., owned by Jack Dorsey, who's also the founder of Twitter. Block Inc. has exposure to Bitcoin and also has the Cash App, which a lot of you use in the US. It's like a Revolut app in, let's say, in Europe. I think a lot of people will have that on their smartphone to use for payments between friends and whatnot, and even to invest in crypto and hold crypto. But they also have crypto on their balance sheet. Robinhood is another one. If we have a bull market, well, the first thing you want is, of course, a broker to invest with. So you will have to use a platform to invest. So Robinhood, Block, these are two companies that will benefit off that. Marathon Digital, this stock specifically holds crypto, right, or Bitcoin. SoFi is an online bank. It's also fintech, but recently they've actually announced that they have holdings of 170 million of crypto. So of course, when Bitcoin and crypto rises, these stocks will rise with it. Okay, Palantir. Now, I'll be honest with you, the reason why I invested in this or seen it is because another hedge fund invested in this, and I thought to myself, well, these people know better than me, right? So I'm gonna buy that stock, and I think this is a tech stock, so it shouldn't be here, but it should be right here. Tech, cloud is very important, so this is where we go into tech and entertainment. So tech, skills. This is a mobile app infrastructure that basically it gives support and allows other developers to use its tools to develop mobile apps, and that's pretty good to have on your portfolio because everything is digital. Roku is a TV streaming. It's like Netflix in a way, guys. So this is something to have on your portfolio, and it's very undervalued. Domo uses AI as part of its cloud-based infrastructure, and Fastly is another stock that uses a cloud, which is something that I thought about. If I was to buy Amazon, I would actually just buy Amazon for the cloud-based service. But Fastly is the alternative to Amazon, and there's other cloud-based tech companies. So Palantir is also another tech. Spire Global actually is in the space exploration side of things. They provide climate change data and satellite. They have their own satellites as well to provide data to whoever needs that data. Okay, and this is in general, guys, the portfolio, and you can see the full structure here. But I will add more stocks into my portfolio in the coming weeks, months, and as I see fit. And I might double down on certain stocks if I see that they're worth holding. Of course, as I see data coming out and further developments, and you have to actually look at what stock is winning for you to add the money into that winning stock. But essentially, this is the portfolio, and that's what we're holding for now. And I believe they can generate a lot of money, especially some of these stocks are very undervalued.
Right, guys, that's us done. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Make sure to smash that like button and that subscribe button. Drop a comment so the algorithm knows you like these videos. So when I release the next one, you will get it in your recommended list, if not notification. So I'll see you guys very soon. Hopefully you enjoyed this. I'm gonna give you guys a lot of updates in the future, but you have to let me know that you want those updates. Otherwise, I'll just share them privately. So guys, that's me done. Bye.